Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in North London. We're at a client's house. Client called me in. A beautiful home, beautiful designed home. Flat roof. We have a granular cap sheet. So what we're going to do, he's noticed over the time he's got some blisters coming up. So that's the cap sheet separating from the base sheet underneath. We are going to clean it, dry it, prime it, and put a new cap sheet on place just to keep it strong. There's no use tearing it off. There's nothing wrong with the roof. We're just going to touch up some parts to make it last longer and make sure he has a good roof for years to come. We'll take you up top. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome up top of the roof. We've come up top. You can go ahead, take a look. The roof is in really good shape. We're not talking about a tear off. We're not talking about anything drastic. Like I said, he's getting some blisters. I'll show you. Take a look. We got to first of all dry the blister. I don't know if you can see it. This one's a little more obvious. So we have two blisters. Here we have a cricket that leads water to the two scuppers, and you can see here we got separation of the cap sheet to the base sheet. Are we going to tear it off? Absolutely not. We're going to dry it or let it dry it, prime it, put a new cap sheet in place, give it a bit more rigidity. Okay, welcome back. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. The job turned out great. Again, this is a patch repair. The roof's in great shape. There's no need to rip it off and pull the insulation and do all that stuff. So anyway, what we did, existing cap sheet, cleaned and dried it, primed it, put on an adhesive mastic around the outside, make sure water can't get in, and then welded the seams. There we go. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks a lot.